Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they're
Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. This morning I decided to get in the shower. It is really cold outside. It's like a lot of frost outside too. But like I said, I decided to get in the shower this morning because it is a great Saturday morning and I am gonna relax today. I just need to sit back, relax. I'm gonna try to watch some more Netflix and chill. But I really wanted to like get up and get in the shower, get some of those good Christmas smells going around. So I'm putting on my new pajamas that I got from Old Navy. These were $15 because of the sale. So, and of course I wanted to break out some of my older smell good. So I have the Spice Gingerbread Swirl. And then I also have my Tree Hut Tahitian Vanilla Bean body scrub that I'll be using after I'll use my Merry Cookie collection that I got last year. And then of course in the morning if I get in the shower, I like to make sure like I wash my face. So I'm washing my face with the Morning Burst by Clean and Clear. And then I will put on a detoxifying gingerbread spice sheet mask that I got from Target last year. This was I think like $1 or $2. And then of course I need to put some oil in my hair for today. So I'm using the black castor oil. And of course I'll brush my teeth, get my glasses on, Apple Watch on, and head out to the living room. And then of course I'm gonna go make me some breakfast. fell off a minute early.
For breakfast, I decided to make some pancakes. I have everything out that I need with it, including the syrup. I will be adding in some of the cake batter extract, and I will be adding in some Christmas holiday sprinkles. Follow the instructions on the back of the box in order to make these. So 2 cups of the flour mixture, and then 1.5 cups of water. Mixed it up. I also use green food dye to dye the batter green, and then mixed in some of those sprinkles to make it festive. Here's breakfast: toast, pancakes, eggs, and I have a Starbucks pineapple passion fruit paradise drink. I'm gonna get ready to go through my Christmas supplies and see what it is that I can get rid of, what I'm gonna keep, and what I need to pull out for decorations for the kitchen, living room, the tree, and other places in the home. So I just bought this tree from Walmart for $25. It is a 6-foot non-lit tree. I'm gonna do it myself. I like to do the lights on the tree myself, as well as the bulbs and everything else. So I am going to be trying a TikTok hack where I found on Pinterest, but like I said, it's from TikTok, where you take 5 or less bulbs and put it on a pipe cleaner, and you just wrap it around the tree limb on your tree, and it just makes it even more beautiful than trying to put each individual ornament up by itself. And it was at this very moment that I realized that the bulb was out and I needed to throw these away. So I did venture out to Walmart, bought a new pack for $2.98. So 100 of the little clear white lights to finish the rest of the tree is what I bought. I also bought a 100 pack of the multicolored lights and just strung them around the front of my door. I just thought it'd be a really cute decoration for the door, even though I think I need to straighten it out just a tad bit more. Now I'm going to get ready to start working on the ornaments that are going on the tree or not going on the tree, as well as getting ready to start the TikTok hack for the ornaments. So I bought 2 new containers of ornaments. One is silver with glitter, some are dull, some are shiny, as well as some red ones and black ones and white, and then just a small pack of black, red, and white. I also got the pipe cleaners in a pack for $1.99. So this is just something new and simple, and I think that I might end up doing this again next year, as it's much easier to get the ornaments on the tree. So you just take 3 to 5 ornaments and put them on the pipe cleaner, and then twist it, and then you go over and put it on the tree. I'll show you guys what that looks like once I get all of these put together, but just to show you guys, this is what it's going to turn out to look like. I had some extra ribbon left over from last year that was still never used or opened, so I went ahead and got ready to throw that on the tree, and then I added on the rest of the ornaments. The ones that I put up top had 3 ornaments on one pipe cleaner, and then the ones closer towards the bottom had 4, just because it was better to put the ones with 4 at the bottom than the ones with 4 at the top. So at the top I chose to do 3, that way the tree was still in good standing with the amount that I put on there. So I just had those prepped and ready and put those on there, a little bit of everywhere, and you guys are going to get ready to see the outcome of my tree for this year. So I hope that you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, be sure to give it a thumbs up, consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys for Vlogmas tomorrow.